How to add QR code to Canva Design. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your Canva Design is ready for the addition of the QR code. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the right hand side of your screen and click on apps. Now head over to the search bar and then you're going to be typing QR code. I'm going to be going with the first one because I've tried it before and I like the results. I'm going to go ahead and tap on use in existing design. Go ahead and tap on my projects. Then I will select the project that I'm on now that I would like to add the QR code to. And when you find it, you simply just want to tap on it. Now go ahead to enter URL. You can see it there on the left hand side of the screen, and when you are done, go ahead to click on generate code and you should have your QR code on your screen. Now the next thing I did was to adjust the size because I wanted the QR code just in a specific part of my design. I didn't want it to be too overpowering, so I reduced the size. And guys, I went over to elements and then I went to arrow in elements and then I got to the graphics part of the arrows. Went ahead to select the arrow I would like for this design. I also reduced the size of this arrow and kept it in a position where it was good for my design. I went over to text and I added a subheading. Now this is me typing out an instruction because they need to know the reason why they will be scanning the QR code. Went ahead to change the color of my words and also my arrow just to suit the aesthetics of this design. And guys, this is exactly how to add QR code to Canva Design. If you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.